Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company. Now what am I doing on top of a big pile of mulch? Well, I want to talk about how important mulch is on the farm, and I want to show you the difference that it's made in our soil. So before I get to that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that anytime we do a video to help you grow really well in your garden, you'll be notified. All right, so look at this amazing mulch. This is wood chips that we get from an arborist locally here in San Diego. He drops it off for us, and it's a mixture of both green leaves and woody product. Now, on our farm, we have used truckload after truckload after truckload of mulch to make our soil full of organic matter, teeming with biology, and just healthier. Now, how have we done it? I'm gonna show you in the garden how we've layered the soil and what it's created. So come on, let's go. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, follow me. Let me just get a baby shovel real quick. All right, so you saw the huge pile of mulch. We'll have that moved in like a week. Well, maybe 2 weeks, depending on how quick we are. But where do we put it? Well, on our farm, we put mulch everywhere we can because it holds in moisture, and it also helps regulate the soil temperature. Here in zone 9 and 10, it gets so hot. So mulch really helps to keep the microbiology of the soil alive. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, this soil here, this gorgeous black earth, this soil was this soil. This is what our soil looked like when we moved in. When we started the farm, this walkway was the native soil that we had to work with. All that mulch has turned this dirt into beautiful organic soil that's teeming with life, and it's gonna make my plants grow so well. Now the question I always get is, well, how do you plant into mulch? Well, you don't. Over time, as you add the mulch to your garden, it'll break down and it'll make gorgeous soil. But in the beginning, you're gonna have to add mulch to all of your walkways, in between the rows, around your plants, anywhere that you can. You can see here, this is a good 12 inches that we have of layered mulch and compost that over time has broken down and made beautiful, gorgeous soil. You can actually see the stratification here. You can see good soil, native soil, okay? Over time, this soil that is very sandy and doesn't have a lot of organic matter will become a lot better as this compost and mulch breaks down. If you take a look down our rows, you can see that all of the walkways in between the rows have tons and tons of mulch. We keep it on hand and we use the wheelbarrow and we put it into our rows as much as we possibly can. Every single season, we're adding more. The other thing the mulch is going to do is it's gonna help cut down on the time that you spend weeding. Nobody likes to weed. It's a part of gardening and farming that is essential, but nobody likes to do it. So by adding tons and tons of mulch along our walkways and everywhere that we can keep the weed pressure down by a lot. Another really important reason why we use mulch is when we do get seasonal rains here in zone 9 and 10, the mulch acts like a sponge and it really holds on to all that water that we get in our garden so that it can stay there and help break down the mulch. So it's incredibly important. We mulch because it keeps in moisture, it helps keep the temperature of the soil regulated, which in turn helps our microbiology and our soil thrive. It also helps with weed pressure. It's just all around a really good product that you can get likely free from a local arborist that's gonna help make your garden thrive. So again, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that anytime we've got tips and tricks for you so that you can be a successful grower, you get notified.